How to earn money on Amazon. If you are worried that you have missed the e commerce boat, don't worry. It's just getting moving. While several e commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy can make selling product online easy. In my experience, the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e commerce. In 2020, Amazon raked in $3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third party sales. There are tons of great ways to earn cash on Amazon. So, to help you find what method might work best for you, this article dives into the top ways to make money on Amazon in 2021. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2021 is still through private label sales using Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA network. Around 71% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre existing item, preferably with product improvements, putting your branding and logos on it, and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to white labeling or brand creation. The process has been around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target's Mainstays brand and Walmart's Great Value are two examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your product typically in 2 days or fewer, what you likely know as Amazon Prime. This is how e commerce business owners like you and me can list goods on Amazon and make money from the sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to a number of advantages. First, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout, the all in one platform for selling on Amazon, to estimate the sales your product will make once it's on Amazon. Next, it's easy to source and manufacture your products with the help of platforms like Alibaba or Jungle Scout's supplier database. Where can I learn more about selling private label products on Amazon? If you want to learn more about how to make money on Amazon with private label products, Jungle Scout offers a free course to help you get started. How to sell on Amazon FBA for beginners. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP allows you to publish your own books on Amazon, and this is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon. But that's probably because I am a professional writer. Then again, in addition to digital format, you can print actual copies of your book too. Amazon's Create Space prints on demand. The only catch with this option is that you usually need to write somewhat prolifically in order to find success, though it is possible to publish one or two wildly popular books. Volume is the true name of the publishing game. The more you write, the more you make. How much money can I make writing for KDP? Up to $40,000 per month. I have heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific, and write topically to gain notice. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor do you have to worry about inventory. How can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? While I don't know of any specific course I trust for teaching this particular method, I do trust Tim Ferriss. And coincidentally, the serial entrepreneur wrote an interesting article on how to become a Kindle millionaire. It's definitely worth a read if you want to make money on Amazon with KDP. How to make $1 million selling ebooks, tactics, and case studies. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label, selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon's FBA network. The primary difference, however, is that you are selling other companies' products. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding their products. For a lot of sellers, it's one of the most popular ways to earn money on Amazon. How much can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon? यार ये स्टॉप हुई भी है।
बनी को नहीं।
नहीं बनी है पर स्टॉप कैसे हो गई?
कितनी बनी?
While wholesaling on Amazon has become notoriously more difficult in the last few years, it's still a great way to earn money. Note that it is a lot more competitive than the private label market. You won't be the only one selling those products on Amazon. So it can sometimes be a race to the bottom on prices where the only lever sellers have to compete with each other in is through lowering their price relative to their competitors. Plus the profit is all in the buy. If you can't buy your goods for low enough price, you won't make money.